In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin ETF Analysis. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up an exchange-traded fund, get a clean snapshot of what it is, how it's been performing, and how to explore its valuation trends over time. Start by heading to the search box at the top of Koyfin and typing an ETF ticker, like SPY or QQQ. As you type, you'll see suggestions. Pick the ETF you want. Once it opens, switch to the snapshot view. This is your control center for quick due diligence. On Snapshot, begin with the description and category. This tells you what the ETF is designed to track and the segment of the market it focuses on, which is essential context for interpreting everything else you'll see. Next, scan performance. You'll find recent price moves and total returns across common timeframes. This gives you a sense of momentum and how the fund has behaved through different market conditions. Then review size metrics, like assets under management and shares outstanding. Larger AUM generally signals more established funds and can imply better liquidity. Shares outstanding can also hint at investor demand over time, as shares are created or redeemed. Round out the summary with basic valuation metrics, such as price to earnings and price to sales. For ETFs, these are typically aggregated from the underlying holdings, so you can gauge whether the fund's portfolio looks expensive, fair, or discounted relative to its own history or peers. Taken together, the snapshot view delivers a clear, quick summary of what you're dealing with. To go deeper on valuations, open the historical graph by pressing G or selecting it from the toolbar. This is where you can analyze trends and see how valuation levels evolve. Click Add Metric, navigate to Financials, then choose Valuation. From here, select measures like price, earnings, price, sales, and EV/EBITDA. You can add multiple metrics to the same chart to monitor how they move through cycles. For example, rising prices alongside rising PE can signal multiple expansion, while stable or falling PE with rising prices may indicate earnings growth keeping pace. Use the graph to look for regimes, long stretches where valuations are elevated, compressed, or reverting toward averages. Spotting these patterns can help you understand whether current levels are typical or stretched. Keep the ETF's category in mind when interpreting the numbers. A growth-focused fund will naturally carry different valuation norms than a value or dividend strategy. That's it. With the snapshot view for a fast overview and the historical graph for valuation trends, you have a clear, repeatable workflow to analyze any ETF in Koyfin.